Have you ever wondered what a black hole sounds like? Well, if you thought it was silent, you got it wrong. NASA has found out that black holes actually make noise. It's worth a moment to listen to because it's strange, eerie, and it sounds like a perfect horror movie soundtrack. Wait, these recordings of the sounds emanating from the black hole devise the basic science lesson that space is completely vacuum. There is a popular misconception that there is no sound in space because most of the space is a vacuum with no medium for sound waves to travel through. But on August 22nd, NASA released a haunting audio clip of sound waves rippling out of a supermassive black hole located 250 million light years away. The black hole is at the center of the Perseus cluster of galaxies. The Perseus galaxy cluster is a giant gas cloud. All that gas around the black hole provided a medium for the sound to travel, and it made possible to capture the unique sound. Now, our human ears cannot pick on the sound ripples, but NASA's equipment can. So the team of scientists scaled the sound in such a way that we could hear what a black hole sounds like.